Wow, this is crazy. What happened to your phone?
My phone just fell from my pocket and I didn't know car was coming. Car just smashed my phone. I'm just so frustrated right now. I don't even know what to do now.
Hmm.
Can this thing ever
This
Wow.
guy is a victim of pecuniary non-money.
God, I just pray so.
Just hold on. We'll take it to our technicians. We'll see what the problem is, and I assure you, your phone will come back, and you won't even know this is price you brought.
God, just pray.
Just relax.
pray.
You're going to fix it. This is a 14 Pro, yeah?
Yes, 14 Pro.
You
my
don't have
God.
any problem. We'll fix your phone.
Okay,
We'll
please
replace the
do.
back glass, the screen, and everything. You won't even recognize this phone when
Please,
it's.
please. I'm so frustrated. I really need this phone.
Let us correct an impression now and right now.
It's okay. Just hold on. We'll get back to you.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, sorry to disappoint you. Your device didn't work. I'm sorry.
What am I supposed to do?
Hey, just kidding. Yeah, she is.
See my baby.
Yeah, I told
Oh my
you.
God.
I told you you're not going to recognize
Oh
it
my
when it comes.
God.
And this
My
is
baby.
how your 14 Pro looks. Okay, you can have it.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my phone. My phone. My phone is back. Oh my God. I'm so happy my baby is back. What am I supposed to do with this?
You can keep it, yes.
I have nothing to do with it, please. Oh my God. Thank you very much. I really appreciate this good work. Thank you.